T-Mobile virtual cards are digital Visa debit cards linked to your account. New activations for prepaid virtual cards are no longer available since late 2023. However, existing cards remain redeemable. To activate, download the T-Mobile app and log in. Navigate to Account, then Payments and Virtual Card or Rewards for gift cards. Follow the prompts to generate your card details. Note that biometric authentication might be required for security. Redemption involves converting the card's value into usable funds or purchases. Add funds via app transfers, bill payments, or redeemed rewards points. T-Mobile Money, a digital wallet feature, enables seamless fund transfers to bank accounts or other digital wallets. T-Mobile virtual cards are primarily for online use at merchants accepting Visa. You can use them at online merchants like Amazon, eBay, and Spotify. ATM cash withdrawals are not possible. International use is supported via Visa's network, potentially incurring fees. To maximize your payout, shop online directly. Shop online directly for immediate redemption or transfer funds via T-Mobile Money. Watch for T-Mobile promotions offering bonus points for rewards redemptions to get the most value. Always monitor your card balance through the T-Mobile app to avoid expiration. Virtual cards typically have spending limits, and security features like one-time use settings ensure secure transactions.